Look out there. How many generations do you think have fallen? How many children do you think he's fathered?
Sorry, I couldn't help it.
You woke me up so I'd be amongst this. Again.
With rotten shape, I borrow my neighbor's cat. Why? For the snuggles.
And now we've got this organic conversation around mental health happening, and we're trying to incorporate mental health into everything that we do.
Opportunities to learn, opportunities to do well, opportunities to get a good education, opportunities to train and develop. These are things that good governments can do.
And this tastes better. Actually, sunshine makes everything better. It's Lipton iced tea.
Découvrez maintenant Lipton Ice.
Mais au moins.
We turned that barrier into a bridge. Even for folks that don't speak your language, we can still communicate because a genuine care crosses all barriers. If you genuinely care.
All this time, it's been standing right behind me. I don't blame it for wanting its revenge.
He's standing right there.
Came back, did you get this sound for progressive rock?
We're extremely lucky to be able to do what we do. Very, very lucky.
It's like live again, isn't it?